The self-propelled guns are designed to perform fire missions to hit moving and stationary targets with mortar mines or artillery shells, including high-precision ones. The 120mm self-propelled artillery gun 2S40 Phlox on the Ural 4320VV 6x6 chassis was developed at the Central Research Institute Burovestnik JSC, part of the Ural-Vagonzavod concern. The combat weight of the vehicle is about 20 tons. The self-propelled unit has a reservation. The protection of the front part corresponds to Class 6, the sides are protected according to Class V, the engine transmission department is protected by an armored casing corresponding to Class 3. The chassis protects against mines weighing up to 2 kilograms of wasted. Undermining does not affect the performance of the engine, and a charge of 5 kilograms of TNT cannot disable the crew. To increase the cross-country ability, middle and rear differential locks are provided. The unit is equipped with a YMZ 536 diesel engine with a capacity of 310 horsepower. The crew consists of an artillery crew, 3 people, and a driver, who is located in a 5-seater armored cabin. In the stern of the self-propelled guns, a turntable with a 120mm caliber gun module is equipped. The rifled gun has ballistics and a bolt unified with the 2A80 gun. It can be used both as a howitzer and as a mortar, depending on the ammunition used. The firing distance reaches 13 kilometers with a high-explosive fragmentation projectile, 7 kilometers with a high-explosive fragmentation mine, and 10 kilometers with a guided projectile. Shooting is fully automated through the use of an automatic loader. The rate of fire is 8 fragmentation, or 10 fragmentation mines, rounds per minute. There are 28 shots in the automated ammo rack, another 52 are in conventional stacks. The 120mm gun is equipped with a modern recoil system, which made it possible to abandon retractable supports. This solution, together with modern electronics, reduces the time to fire to 20 seconds and significantly increases efficiency. Pointing angles vertically from -5 to +80 degrees, horizontally, 35 degrees each. Right and left. ACS Phlox is equipped with a modern digital weapon computer system, which is able to perform many tasks in automatic mode. These tasks include transferring and receiving data between machines, processing of received information and preparation of data for calculation of firing parameters, adjustment of the firing of the installation on the first shot, switching of various means of observation depending on the surrounding conditions.
Dear, subscribe to the channel, then it will be more interesting.
Storage of up to 30 targets at the same time and switching between them. The received and processed information in real time is continuously fed to the crew monitors in the cockpit, which allows you to quickly respond to the situation and monitor the status of all systems. As an additional weapon, the self-propelled unit is equipped with a remote-controlled weapon station with a 12.7mm cord machine gun and a combined sighting system on the cab roof. Also, the ACS is equipped with a system for detecting laser irradiation and setting smoke screens. Combat weight, T20. Crew, purse. 4. Caliber and brand of gun, 1 by 120mm. Gun ammunition, 60 PCS.